Dear students, welcome to SCPS online live class 8 English version. This is your Kamral sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we will discuss chapter 10. The title of chapter 10, Circle. And in the circle, you will get three exercises. Exercise 10.1, 10.2 and 10.3. So dear students, at the first class of on circle, today we will discuss only basic concept. Then we will go to our theorem and solving of exercise. So dear students, today only we will discuss about some basic concept. Now dear students, you can see that at a glance, this is our today's outcome. That means after completing our class, you will be able to learn this one. Now look, what is this? At first, radius, chord, arc, circumference, diameter and pi. You will be able to know what is the pi and some formula on circle and cylinder. So you will get these topics on chapter 10, 10.1, 10.2 and 10.3 exercise. It will be included on these topics. So dear students, we can start. At first, look, we'll draw a circle. Suppose this is a circle. Now dear students, this is a point. Suppose we can say this is O, or you can say any another letter, no problem, or you can say O. This point is called center. This is called center. So this point we can say center. And whole part, this whole part is called circle. Remember, this whole part, this is called circle. And this last one kind of ring, we can say this ring. That means the length of the whole complete length. We can say this is the complete length of the circle. This is called circumference. So this is our circumference. Circumference. So what is the circumference? Circumference is the complete length. Clear? Complete length of the circle. This is our circumference. Or you can say as a one kind of ring. This circumference also we can call perimeter. You know, perimeter of rectangle, parallelogram, triangle. So this is one kind of perimeter. But here we can say this is circumference. Clear? And this is center. What is the center? This point. Look. Suppose this one, this line segment. Suppose this is a point and center is the another point. So we know for any line segment there are two endpoints. This one and suppose this one. This line segment, this is called radius. This is called radius. So we can say what is the radius? Radius is a line segment joining by any point on circle or any point on circumference and center. Or you can say radius is a distance. Radius is a distance from center to circumference. From center to circumference. Also you can say the radius is a line segment joining by center and any point on circumference. Or also you can say radius is a distance from center to circumference. Or on circle. On circle and circumference both are same meanings. Now dear students, so what is the circle? Actually, suppose this is a point A. Now if this point A go to the this way, if it moves and again come to the A point, then we will get like a path. This path is called circle. But there is one condition. Which condition? From center, this point, its distance will be always same. That means when it moves, always it contain same distance from the center, from this fixed point. It is a fixed point. this fixed point we can call center. So when any point moves in such a way that always the distance will be same from a fixed point, then the path, this path will be circle, and this fixed point is called center, and the common distance, or you can say the fixed distance, this fixed distance is radius, and this is our circle, and the boundary or perimeter or like a ring, this is called circumference. Now dear students, if we draw another suppose radius, look, this is radius, this is radius, this is radius, this is radius, this will be radius. That means we can say in a circle we can draw unlimited radius. And look, 1 2 3 4 5, here I have draw 5 radius, and every radius will be same. So we can say in a circle, that means when circle is same, in a circle if we draw some radius, all radius will be equal because their circle is same. And in a circle, how many radius we will be able to draw? Answer is unlimited, uncountable, or you can say in mathematically infinite. That means infinite number radius we can draw. Now dear students, we can go our new topics. So we know what is the radius and what is the circumference. Now look, suppose this is a point A and this is another point B. So A and B, there are 2 points on the circle, or you can say one circumference or one circle. Now if we join these 2 points, now we can get a line segment. This line segment is called chord. So what is the chord? The definition will be a chord is a line segment joining by 2 points on a circle. Any 2 points, any 2 points. If we take, there is another point, suppose this is a point C. Now if we draw, so this is a chord. If we try to make, this is another chord. So AC, BC, both will be a chord. So chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on a circle or circumference. So this is our chord. Now dear students, for a chord, the circle will be divided 2 parts. Look, suppose for this chord, for every chord, each chord, suppose for this chord, this circle is divided 2 parts. Look, suppose this is your circle, now this is your chord AB, suppose, and this is your center. Now look, so for AB it will be divided 2 parts, one part and another one will be this part. So another part and this part. So we can say every chord make 2 parts, and this every part is called arc. This is arc, this is arc. And look, this arc is smaller than upper one, this one. So this one we can say major arc. So the greater arc, you can, by greatest arc you can say major arc, and this one we can say minor arc. That means smaller arc you can say minor arc, and this is we can say major arc. So this is our arc. So we can say arc is a part of circumference. Arc is a part of circumference. The whole length, this is called circumference, and some part of the whole length, this is called arc. So we can say every chord make 2 parts, that means 2 arc. Every chord make 2 arc on a circle. Remember this. And this is our basic concept, dear students. In every exam you will get MCQ clear from this conception. Now dear students, so we know what is the arc and what is the chord. Now other one, this is diameter. Suppose this is Suppose this is a point A and this is another point B. Now dear students, if we join, so this AB, so AB, so here AB is a chord. So we can say AB is a chord. This is correct. Why? Because we know the line segment joining by 2 points on a circle, this is chord. So A and B, they are 2 points on a circle. So if we join this one, so it will be chord. Look, but look, this chord is passing through the origin. This chord, it has a specific case. This chord is passing through the origin. So when a chord passing through the origin, that time we can say this is diameter. Look, now we can say this is diameter. So what is diameter? So we can say diameter is a chord which passing through the center. So at first by birth we can say diameter as a chord, and now for his activities it is a diameter. So any chord which passes through the center, we can say this is diameter. And look dear students, this part, this is our radius, this is our radius, and also this is our radius. So we can say any diameter is 2 times of radius. So we can say diameter equal 2 times into radius. So this is, we can say another formula. We can say one formula. Here we can see diameter is 2 times of radius, or conversely you can say radius is half time of diameter. Clear? Okay dear students. Now this is our diameter part. Now dear students, what is pi? And remember that dear students, this diameter, look, this diameter is the greatest chord of the circle. This diameter is the greatest chord of the circle. You can draw any chord other than diameter which will be greater. So diameter is the greatest chord. So a chord while passing through the center, so this is the greatest chord. So this greatest chord we can say diameter. Okay, now dear students, what is pi? Pi, this is the, if we divide circumference by diameter, look, suppose this is a circle and this is the circumference, and suppose this is our diameter. Now if we calculate the measure of circumference and the diameter, now if we divide circumference by diameter, then always circle is different, no problem. This like circle, this circle, this circle, doesn't matter. The shape of circle doesn't matter, because every time we have to divide circumference by its diameter. Circumference by its diameter. Circumference by its diameter. If we divide, then always you will get the same answer, and the answer is 3.141592 and this is infinite. After decimal there are uncountable digits. So we can say this is an irrational number. When after decimal there are infinite digits and there is no recurring part, that means no similar pattern. So we can say this is irrational number. So this is an irrational number. Now for our calculation we can take 3.1415. But look, after 5 this is 9. So we can take this is 3.1416. Or if we take 2 digit, it will be 3.14. Now in 3000 years ago or more than years ago, the Greek mathematician, they used 22 by 7, and it's like 3.14 something. That means after 2 digit it gets the correct result, this one. But this is not actual correct, clear, approximate correct. But so many years ago mathematician, they will use 22 by 7 for calculating any circle process. So this is the another value of pi. So pi equal 22 by 7. This is also right. This is not 100% correct. 99% we can say correct. And this is 100% correct. After decimal there are infinite digits, and for we can take 3.1416 or 3.14. So what is the pi? And this number, look, this number is called pi. So we can say pi is a nickname of the number. You can see this number is called pi. So pi, this is a nickname of this number. If I say take here and go here and take the 3.1415926 dot 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 dot, is more complicated for. If we say go there and take pi, that means pi, that means this one. So this is the nickname of, we can say. So what is the pi? Pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. We know division is one kind of ratio. A is to B, we can say A by B. So A by B, this is ratio. So we can say ratio of circumference and diameter of a circle is called pi. So when we divide circumference by diameter, then we will get pi. Dear students, so now we can write now we can write circumference divided by diameter, it will be pi. So what will be the circumference? So circumference equal diameter into pi. Now what is diameter? If radius r, so it will be twice r, and this will be pi. So we can say 2 pi r. So we can say circumference equal 2 pi r. That means when you know the value of radius r, then we will be able to find the length of circumference, and this will be 2 pi r. Sometimes questions say that what is the perimeter of the circle? Perimeter, that means circumference. Clear? So this is the formula of circumference, 2 pi r. Very simple. Circumference divided diameter 2. So if we multiply diameter into p and diameter twice r, so it will be 2 pi r. So this is our formula. Now another formula, dear students, area of circle. Area of circle dear students, area of circle, it will be pi r square. Area of a circle, it is pi r square. Now why pi r square? You can discuss another day. We can discuss. This is the circle, this is pi r square. Okay, now dear students, we can discuss, no problem. Suppose this is a part AB. Now this is R and this is R. Suppose this is a triangle and this is 90 degree. Look, this is a curve. Suppose our earth also is like a curve, but for small distance, we can think it as a flat, like a flat, that means straight line. So suppose this AB, this is very very small, very small. Suppose this is AB, this is very very small distance. So it will be like as a straight line. It will be like as a straight line. So we can say this is a triangle, but this is curve, so not triangle. But if we take this is a straight line, so we can say this is a right angle triangle. For right angle triangle, so its area will be, what will be the area of this? It will be 1 by 2 half into base into r. So base AB and height, half into base into height, and this is the height, so r. This is radius, height is the radius, so half into base into height, half into base into height. Now dear students, if we make another one, suppose this is C, so it will be half into base into height. This is also R. If we take D, so this will be half into base into height. Clear, dear students? So now if we take so many 1 billion, 3 billion, if we make Now suppose this is our last one and this is suppose M. So this is MA. So what will be the area of triangle AOM? So suppose there are many triangle. So last one it will be M into MA into R. So this is the our height. Now dear students, if we join all triangles, then you will get the full area. This is the area of one. This one. This is indicate this area. This is this one. This is this one, and similarly like this one. Now if we add all triangles, the area of all triangles, then we will get the whole area of this shape, that means circle. Now dear students, if we add, look, if we add, it will be 1 into R. Look, every half into R, every place half into R. So half into R we can take as a common. Now we can get AB plus BC plus CD plus dot 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 plus MA. Now dear students, look, AB plus BC plus CD plus DSL, it will be circumference. So if we add this one, AB, this is arc, BC another arc, CD another arc. Now if we add all arc, then you will get the circumference. And what will be the process? So we can say, so dear students, we can say it will be half into R into circumference. Now we can say 1 by 2 into R into circumference. What is the formula of circumference? 2 pi R. Now 2 and 2 minimize, so it will be pi R square. So we can say area of circle is pi R square, or like this. Now our last topic is, dear students, cylinder. Look dear students, suppose this is our cylinder. This is radius and also this is radius, and this is our height. This is the height of the cylinder. Cylinder in commercial we can say pipe. Clear? So when we can go at our home, we can say through our water, we can use pipe. So pipe is the commercial name of cylinder. Now this one, this is like a circle, and this one also our circle. Look, this one, this marker like a circle, and this one also a circle. But this is not cylinder because this is the circumference is greater and this is the smaller. Clear? But here always is same. So this is our cylinder. Now for cylinder we can write whole surface. There are three parts. One, curved surface. Curved surface. Now we can write area of curved surface. So this is our circumference. So circumference indicate 2 pi r. Circumference, that means 2 pi r, and this is increased h. Suppose h. So this is indicate height. So 2 pi r into h, or you can say 2 pi r h. This is indicate curved surface. Another one, whole surface. Whole surface. Now what is the whole surface? Whole surface means curved surface plus area of two cover. Look, curved surface, that means only the outcome region, only the outcome part. This is called curved surface, and this one is open and this one is open, suppose. But whole surface, that means this one and also covered this one and also covered this one. So area of two covered. So totally this is called whole surface. Now we know curved surface, area of curved surface. We can say their area of curved surface, this is 2 pi r h, and area of two covers. Look, this is a circle, so its area pi r square. This is another circle, these both are same, so this is pi r square, so we can say 2 pi r square. pi r square, so 2 pi r square. Now if we take as a common 2 pi r, so we can write h plus r. So we can say this is the whole surface, area of whole surface of a cylinder, 2 pi r into h plus r, curved surface, and the cover of 2. ঠিক আছে, area of 2 cover of the head we can say. So 2 pi r into h plus r. And what will be the volume? What will be the volume? This is pi r square. Area, when volume, go to the area, pi r square, and this is h. So pi r square h. When curved surface, then circumference into height. Circumference into height. When volume, area into height. Clear, dear students? So this is our basic concept on circle. So next class we will discuss on some theorem for circle. Okay, dear students, thank you very much. No more today.